Kirk Ricketts, Senior Superintendent of Police, St. Andrews South Division. We have over 40 gangs right now who are active. We have on an average 70 gangs, but of which over 40 is active. The division remains the division with the most gangs, the most active gangs in the country. And our problem in St. Andrews South is gang activities, gangs killing gang members, or killing their family members if they can't find their opponents.
New wave, sure, to the space on the side, so that's not where they were.
However, we're not comfortable where we are. There are a number of communities that criminal suspects, gunmen, continue to rape respective rights. President within the space. We always remember to 98% of each person within the Whitfield Town is a perennial hotspot. It's one of those areas that we continuously have gang-type conflicts ongoing week after week.
Come around, come around the other side, round the other side. See? Some of them made the My friend. Hello. Come around. Come around. Let me ask him.
problem. Jaden, go inside.
So the advertise them mother good making things them. That's true.
We have over 30 communities that are currently having gang type feuds.
I need all of the crime them to cool down and that's the people them live loving and free. I see the ball field here today. Everybody should know I play the ball.
Yeah.
That means the place more love.
So the normal play ball over there?
Yes man.
But why what stop it?
Well they through the violence. And with violence you cannot do nothing. You understand me? Just to entertain person in the ear.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!